Nobody really seems to be buying that whole conspiracy that this is done by the left. The left itself is surprised that it could do so much to dent the reputation of Mamata Banerjee. In fact, in the words of the freed biologist arrested for daring to show dissent against Mamata, these are really dark days for Bengal. Soon after his release, Bengal scientist Parthasarathy Ray slammed the Mamata Banerjee government for putting him behind bars. Professor Ray, and here is the ironical part, he was part of Mamata Banerjee's Singur and Nandigram movement. He now says he's plain disappointed with Didi's performance as a chief minister.
He's been behind bars for more than 10 days and has been released for the profile that he holds. We have with us Professor Roy, who was there behind bars for 10 days, for standing for the evictees of those who have been evicted and have not been rehabilitated in the Nona Daga movement. What is your take on it?
See, I think it is a sad state of affairs that if you stand on the side in solidarity with people who have been thrown out of their houses, whose houses have been broken down, then you are thrown into jail for 10 days and on charges which are completely false, because I wasn't even there on the day that the charges have been framed against me, and this is a sorry state of affairs. So I would just say that, just to send a good message to people, the government should rehabilitate the Nonadanga people and also release the other 7 people who are still in jail under these charges.
Your co-prisoners are still behind bars. They have not been released, and you are the only lucky one to be released. Do you feel is it only on the basis of the profile and international pressure?
It seems like that, because of the overwhelming pressure which has come from intellectuals and from activists from all over the world, the government has taken this step. And I would think that this should be there for everyone also. I was just the person whom I guess was wrongly picked up in this thing, and because of my profile I've been able to come out. But that shouldn't be the case. The people who are behind bars till today are completely innocent. So they should also be released as soon as possible.
You have been a part of the movement during the Singur agitation with Mamata Banerjee, and now that you're against her, you're being arrested.
Yes, I have been with this movement both in the case of Singur, although I wasn't physically present here, and in the case of Nandigram. And I have always been along with people when they have been attacked, when they have been evicted, when their lives and livelihoods have been taken away. And it is, as I said, it's a great disappointment that in West Bengal, after the change of government, someone like me is thrown behind bars for just doing the same again.
Is it a government full of promises unkept?
This is again something I would leave to the government. If eviction happens, then where is the question of justice to people? Because government has said that there would not be any eviction without rehabilitation. But here, if you go to Nonadanga, you would see that people are lying under the open sky for the last more than 20 days. So it is really, they have no promises to them has been kept.
Is the whole state machinery being used for vested interest of the ruling party?
This is something I cannot say, but apparently, anyone who is coming out, talking, protesting, this is the sort of the consequences they are facing.
You left a lucrative job for coming back to the state. Is it disheartening to see what you wanted is not happening, and it may also disapprove of many who wanted to come now?
Absolutely. I am not disheartened because I will keep trying, but this might send a very bad message to people outside. And when all these places like Presidency College and all are being touted as destinations for scholars and intellectuals to come back and work, this might really turn them away, this state of affairs in West Bengal.
Well, sorry, state of affairs in West Bengal, and controversies on its peak at the moment. With camera person Tapush Baidi, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for Headlines Today.